I'm down here at the river, fishing in a new kayak. It's actually a fishing kayak, so maybe it'll be productive. Wow, look at that pretty little spotted bass. Oh no. Okay, well, he's gone. Well, daggone. That was just casting from the bank. First cast with the crick hopper. I'm slow. I'm finally getting in the water. Don't want to jinx myself, though. Guys, I finally got in the water. After a long, long time. I'm in here, though, so, hey. Can't say much. As I feel like I might have some luck here. Might be a good morning, guys. Still no luck. There we go, guys. Finally, I caught one after dang forever. It's a little largemouth. I caught him off this culprit worm. Wow, he is hooked good too. Pretty little largemouth. I don't know how much he weighs. Looks like he has a little cut on him. Pretty little largemouth. I'm gonna release him. Nice little largemouth. I like to catch a few spots. There's some rain coming. Sounds like quite a bit of it, so might kind of mosey on over here. I'm trying to do some catfishing now. I've caught 2 bass. I've almost caught a few bluegill. It's not been the best day, but I'm at least grateful that I've caught at least something. Alright guys, I just saw a little bass. These creeks might actually be pretty good. Here we go. Check me out, check me out. Sorry, that was cringy. Ooh. That's a slab for a bluegill. Nice little bluegill, guys. I'm gonna release him now. Huh. Dang, he's a fighter. He fought real hard.